Here we are in Portland, Indiana at the Jay County Fairgrounds. And right up the road here is the Tri-State Gas Engine and Tractor Association, where most of us should have been last month for the 2020 spring swap meet, but was canceled. But there are a few of us that are coming in now and to do a little work on equipment, and that equipment belongs to the Tri-State Gas Engine and Tractor Association. But in 2016, Sam Vogt was instrumental in starting a chapter of the HCEA, which is called the Tri-State chapter of the HCEA. And over those years, there's been several pieces of equipment that have been donated to the Tri-State Gas Engine and Tractor Association since they set up a 501c3 charitable organization. And so companies can contribute equipment to that club, but yet it is maintained and operated by the HCA, the Tri-State HCA chapter. And so the swap meet is normally used for us to come and get together and work on the equipment in preparation for the show. But since the swap meet didn't happen, we didn't get together. And so periodically people are now getting together to work on some of the equipment. And so this is sort of an update on what we're doing. Let me open the gate here. So just after that chapter was formed, they were donated a 1946 Lima shovel, and that happened to be the first shovel that was produced, the first commercial shovel that was produced by Lima after World War II, which is sitting right there. And shortly after that, the club was given a 22B, which, if any of you are around last year, we put a rebuilt 371 Detroit in that last year, and now it's going to be repainted. Okay. And then we acquired this 52 Lorraine, through Lorraine. It was set up as a drag line, but we also got a hoe unit with it, and so we converted it to the hoe unit. And of course then we have these graders, okay? And then Sam Vogt brought in his Buckeye, and I'm not sure the year of that Buckeye, but we were also donated this international pickup truck, and we were donated 3 D7 pipe layers, which are in different modes of restoration that we're going to get going. And this is a Byers half swing and that we're going to get. And the latest thing we got donated by Smith Erectors in Markle is a 703 Lima. It also has, which we got to get in yet, it has 200 foot of boom, and we got to bring in the other 25,000 pound counterweight. which is a nice running machine. It's got a 671 Detroit in it. And then since we are cooperating with the Tri-State Gas Engine and Tractor Association, that Tri-State is going to build a building to house this equipment. And so last year at the tractor show, we started building the pad for the building, which is going to be right here. And hopefully, if the money comes available, we'll be able to get a nice big building put up to keep everything in the winter time. But really, what we're here this week is just to work on this equipment and get it in a little better shape. So the hoe there needs to have the back sprocket on the left drive is out of alignment, and the chain keeps coming off, so we got to redo it. Of course, here is our miscellaneous field equipment. And tumble buggies. But if we have the show this year, a 2020 show, then the object will be to have most all of this operating. But also, as if you were here last year, we had dozers running over, we were piling up all that dirt over there. Well, this year all that dirt is going to be brought over into this area here, and so this large area here will be the place that we operate, and so this big circle or square here will be where we operate. But today our focus is going to be the Lorraine. The clutches are not working quite properly on Lorraine, and so we're going to pull those out and get them, you can't adjust them, we're going to get them operating better. And we're going to pull some of the sheet metal off, and that will go back with me to my shop, and then it'll be straightened and brought back for the show to put on. So hopefully we'll get a few other clips made and get them posted, but this is our swap meet. So there's going to be a few of us that enjoy just working on the equipment, and we'll talk to you later.